Hello students, welcome back to our English class. I hope so everyone are good and safe. In our last video, we saw about singular and plural and we have learned how to add yes. So, if we have a word dog, then in plural it has to be changed into dogs. If we have the word class, then in plural it has to be changed into classes. And we have learnt how to add es for the words ending with s, double s, sh, ch and x. So shall I ask you a few questions? Okay. If the word brush in singular form, then the plural form will be brushes. Very good. Okay. If the word glass is a singular form, then the plural form will be glasses. Is very good. So, in today's class, we are going to learn how to add yes if any one of vowels A, E, I, O, U comes before Y, we have to add yes at the end. So shall we move on? Yes, very good. In first image, you can see a narrow way. So the word way is a singular form. Now we are going to add yes. How we are going to add yes? Yes. Before the letter Y, vowel letter A is presented. So we have to add yes at the end of the word, and in the plural form it has to be pronounced as ways. In this image you can see a key. When we say a key, it is a singular form. And how we are going to add yes? Before the letter Y, vowel letter E is presented. So we need to add yes for the plural form, and it has to be pronounced as keys. Okay, here in the first image you can see a toy. When we say a toy, it is a singular form. So to add yes, how we are going to add yes? Before the letter Y, vowel letter O is presented. So we need to add yes in plural form, and it has to be pronounced as toys. Okay, now we are going to learn how to change the Y into IES if any of A, E, I, O, U does not come before Y. It means before the letter Y, the vowel letter A, E, I, O, U does not appear, means then we have to change it into IES. Okay, shall we move on? Yes, very good. For example, where in this image you can see a baby. A baby, it is a singular form. So in the right image you can see there are many. So in plural form, how it has to be pronounced as babies. Now how we are going to change the letter Y into IES means after the vowel letter A and before the letter Y, in between this another letter, so that the letter Y has to be changed into IES, and in plural it has to be pronounced as babies. Okay, here in this image you can see a berry. How many of them like berry? Yes, most of us. Okay, good. When we say berry, after the vowel letter E and before the letter Y, in between there are two letters. So that for plural form, we need to change the letter Y into IES. In the next image, you can see different types of berry, and then in plural form, it has to be pronounced as berries. Okay, here you can see in the first image a family. When we say a family, it is a singular form. In the next image, you can see there are many families. Okay, here how we are going to change the letter Y is after the vowel letter I and before the letter Y, in between there is another letter, so that the letter Y has to be changed into IES, and in plural form it has to be pronounced as families. Okay, here you can see stories. Okay, in the first image you can see a story. When we say a story, it is a singular form. In the next image you can see there are more than two, so we need to change it into plural. How we are going to change is after the letter O and before the letter Y there is in between another letter, so we need to change the Y into IES, and in plural it has to be pronounced as stories. Okay, in this image you can see a bunny. A bunny is a rabbit's younger one. So when we say a bunny, it is a singular form. In the next image you can see more than two. So in plural form, how it has to be pronounced is after the letter U and before the letter Y, in between there are another two letters, so that the letter Y has to be changed into IES, and in plural form it has to be pronounced as bunnies. Okay, now we are going to do a small recap. In singular plural, we saw how to add es, how to add es if the words are ending with s, double s, sh, ch, and x. And in this video, we have learned how to add es if the vowel letter appears before the letter Y, and we learned how to change the letter Y into IES if a vowel letter appears in between Y. Okay. Dog is a singular form. So in plural it has to be pronounced as dogs. Bush is a singular form. So in plural it has to be pronounced as bushes. Fox is a singular form. In plural it has to be pronounced as foxes. Key is a singular form. In plural it has to be pronounced as keys. Lady, a lady is a singular form. In plural it has to be pronounced as ladies. Okay children, today's homework is write the plural form for the given words and submit it in the Google Classroom. Thank you children for listening. Have a good day.